Another one. Another one.
The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Nassau County in southeastern New York, western Suffolk County in southeastern New York, until 3:15 a.m. At 12:10 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Islip, Brentwood, Levittown, Comeg, Huntington Station, Center Ridge, Deer Park, Lindenhurst, Plainview, Medford, Massapequa, Hauppauge, Ronkonkoma, Faucet, Westbury, Stony Brook, Babylon, Little Island, Farmingdale, and Port Jefferson. Move to higher ground now. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If you are in a basement, be prepared to move to a higher floor. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. for the following counties in New York, Nassau, and Suffolk.